Nintendo Labo VR Kit. The Nintendo Labo VR Kit is packed with everything you need to make Toy Con creations that let you enjoy simple, shareable VR games and experiences. All you have to add is your Nintendo Switch system. Gaze into the Toy Con VR goggles. No matter where you look, a virtual environment awaits. That's the magic of VR. Making your Toy Con creations is where the fun starts. Just follow the interactive instructions in the included software, and you're on your way. Insert your Nintendo Switch console once you've finished building your first creation, and bam! You're ready to play. You can use your Toy Con VR goggles on their own, or by attaching them to one of the other creations you can build, like this bad boy here. First up, the Toy Con Blaster. Pull back the slide to prime the blaster, take aim, and fire away. Space aliens are invading. From above. To the right, no matter where they are, take them out. Use the homing function to lock onto distant enemies. Rotate the Joy-Con holder on the side of the Toy Con Blaster, and you can even stop time itself. Line up the perfect shots, and then play it cool, like it's no big deal. Just remember, the battle ain't over till you go head-to-head with the boss. In this game, you can face off against another player. Use the blaster to suck up fruit, and then shoot it into a hippo's mouth. If you manage to feed one, the happy hippo will swim to your side of the arena. Take turns with the Toy Con Blaster and see who can win the hearts of the biggest horde of hippos in the game. Next, the Toy Con Wind Pedal. Yep, that's a toy bear firing balls at your little froggy friend. Better hop over those things. Press down on this Toy Con creation with your foot and you'll feel a gust of air swoosh by. Kinda like when you really jump. Keep clearing the balls those toy bears toss, and you can climb that stately stack of spheres all the way to the stars. Look out! If a ball rains down from above, use your head, a header, to knock it away. You know what to do, frog friend. Dodge those balls and reach for the sky. Next, we have the Toy Con Bird. There's nothing like riding on a bird. One would assume. Squeeze the grips to make the bird flap its wings, and tilt the Toy Con to steer. Gather food to feed hatchlings so they can grow up strong and fast, then join your flock. Raise all the little hatchlings, and pretty soon, you'll rule the skies. Ready to try out faster flight? Then soar through checkpoints and head for the goal in Bird Dash. Press the Toy Con Wind Pedal with your foot for a serious boost of speed. This one is the Toy Con Elephant. Use its trunk to paint 3D pictures that hang in thin air. You can even grab your creations and move them around. There's an eraser, shape tools, effect pens, and even lighting effects. Use everything at your disposal to craft some true masterpieces. Move objects to lead a marble to the goal in Marble Run. You'll get your hands on twisty tubes, trampolines, fans, and even anti-gravity devices. But you've got this, right? Why not try making your own puzzles too? Now for the Toy Con Camera. Find your subject, zoom in, and snap. With the Toy Con Camera, taking underwater pictures in a virtual ocean is easy. And a cute little creature relaxing in its house is an instant photo op. There are challenges to tackle too. Ain't always easy making memories. Remember, you can look in any direction. And you never know what you'll find. VR Plaza is loaded with 64 more bite-sized games and experiences. 64! Abduct stuff as a UFO? Drive a virtual car? Rock out? even control gravity, all in VR. For some games, you just need Joy-Con controllers. For others, you'll use your different Toy-Con creations. And guess what? Nintendo Labo VR Kit lets you make your own VR games and experiences too. That's where our brand new tool, Toy-Con Garage VR, comes in. When you do this, what should happen? Here, programming is as simple as linking together inputs and outputs. For example, you could set up a mannequin and then decide what it should do. Choose its size and more. Even control your character freely. Lay out some terrain. Set up some obstacles. Add some finishing touches by the goal, and you've got a game. Not bad. You could make a high-speed tuna racer, a lunar rover, a mechanical clock, or even an epic quest for sushi. They're your games, and you're the designer, so go wild. Simple, friendly, fun. Nintendo Labo VR Kit. There's also a Nintendo Labo VR Kit starter set and blaster. That's a great entry point into the world of Nintendo Labo VR. The starter set includes the Nintendo Switch software, plus all the parts to build the Toy-Con VR goggles and Toy-Con blaster.